One of the best ways to keep your hands, especially your fingernails, clean when painting, caulking, or even working in the garden is to wear lightweight rubber gloves. The last few years I've been wearing latex gloves when I'm working on projects.
And you want to be my latex salesman.
Just to protect my hands and keep them clean. And I buy these in bulk. I buy them online, you get 100 pack, and I just keep them in this little plastic container. But what I noticed, I'll show you a pair that I was just using on a painting project. And what I noticed is that the fingers are often not that dirty and they're not ripped. So I thought maybe I could reuse those. So what I do is before throwing them out when they get torn or dirty like this, I'll take any finger that's relatively clean, I'll just cut it off with a pair of scissors. And then I take these, I store them in a little Ziploc bag. You might think, okay, so what good are these? You don't have the glove, you only have the fingertip. Well, I'll show you. What I do is I use them, just slip them on my finger. Now, when you're applying caulk or glue, specifically wood glue, you can just spread it. Instead of just spreading with your finger or with a brush, and then you have to clean the brush, I just use these. So, for example, let's say I'm gluing this board to another board. So you want to take the glue, you're supposed to spread it out, put down a nice bead. Then what some people do is just clamp this as it is. But what you're really supposed to do is spread the glue on the whole edge of the board. I guess you could use a brush, but then you have the brush you have to clean or throw out. If you don't clean it, it gets hard and then you have to throw it out anyway. So I just use this. I use the rubber tip to spread the glue. So next time you're using rubber gloves and they get dirty, check those fingertips before you toss them out. And those you might be able to reuse. The problem I have with these, though, is they don't breathe. So after a while, your hands start to sweat, which makes it really difficult to get the gloves on and off. So here's the trick. Before putting on the gloves, sprinkle in a little baby powder. I usually use the 100% cornstarch type, but talcum works just as well. You don't need much, just a little in there. And then slip it on. You see how easily the glove will slip right on. And more importantly, it'll slip off really easily without tearing, so you could reuse the gloves over and over again. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking and subscribing. Hey, thanks for watching.